Brooklyn, and this is Josh.
And we are both peer coaches, which means we are current students at IUB and want to share our experiences with you.
In this video, we're going to talk about Natural and Mathematical Sciences, or N&M. All students must take N&M courses for IUB Gen Ed, so you don't have to be a science major to do well in these N&M courses.
Let's hear from an advisor and a professor about some of the different types of N&M courses.
So as you complete N&M Gen Ed requirements, you're going to be able to choose courses from familiar disciplines like you would imagine, biology, chemistry, physics, but also maybe other areas that you haven't really thought of as heavily scientific, like geology, geography, anthropology. We even have cognitive science a cognitive science department, a history of philosophy and science department.
In chemistry, we have two levels of Gen Ed courses. We have Gen Ed courses for the non-majors, and we have Gen Ed courses for the majors. So those have completely different learning goals. For science majors, we hope that they're going to learn the foundational goals that will make them successful for their future coursework to go on and be science majors, whatever degrees that they're looking for. For non-major, I'd want them to be able to pick up a newspaper and be able to form opinions, read articles, and be able to gauge information that has science basis and be able to draw some conclusions and make some understanding from it that they wouldn't otherwise have.
Let's hear from some more N&M professors and hear what they have to say about their courses.
So, the natural and mathematical science requirement for general education really gives our students here at Indiana University the opportunity to learn about scientific inquiry and critical thinking, as well as the research methods used in developing scientific understandings in whatever the particular topic area or substantive area of study. In my classes, students will develop some real substantive understanding of psychology. What have we learned? Right? How do we do psychology? What's the science about? What are the main concepts? How to apply these concepts?
You know, what I really hope the students will get is an appreciation of the physical environment around them. So understanding that when it rains, that water is going somewhere and learning to trace it across the landscape and through storm drains. Or understanding that the food that's on their table comes from soil, right? And what is in that soil, what makes it work, what makes it grow. So to me, it's really about understanding the world around them.
I wonder what some students have to say about N&M courses.
Maybe we should ask a few.
I did end up taking a course called Intro to Computers and Computing because not only did it satisfy the N&M credit, but it also fulfilled my SPEAR requirement for a computer course. And the reason I took this course instead of maybe K201 or an informatics course is because I did want to get a broad overview of Microsoft Office, you know, Excel, Access, and Word. But I did also want to learn how to do HTML coding, and I did actually find that this course was really useful in at least getting a basic knowledge of how to code HTML, how to code CSS, and how to set up your own website.
Okay, so I took the Earth Science course, and my professor was really good about giving us visuals so we could actually see what was going on and how these landforms were being put together, and it makes me really want to travel to those sites now, just getting a visual of them.
And through this course, I've learned how you should study for class, and it's psychology on how cramming is not the right thing to do, and how if you span out your studying through an extended period of time, you actually memorize the information and retain it and can process it and actually recall it better. And it's honestly been helpful for the rest of my classes because I actually know how you should prepare for tests instead of just how you used to in high school, because college is a lot different than high school.
It seems like these students got a lot from studying their natural and mathematical science courses. I like how Claire learned how to study by learning about the psychology of learning.
Yeah, it's like she took a scientific approach to studying in her classes. So the N&M courses are useful no matter what your major. Be sure to investigate the IUB Gen Ed N&M course options through these websites and discuss the courses that interest you with your advisor. Now that you know about N&M courses, watch our other videos about other general education requirements. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.